Students, we are going to learn civics lesson number 2, preamble to the constitution. Yesterday we learned about secular state. Today we are going to learn democratic state. Democratic state is one where the sovereign power is vested with the people. The elections are conducted at a fixed period and voters elect their representatives. These representatives take decisions as per the procedure laid down in the constitution. Republic. Republic is a state where there is no hereditary succession to the public positions. All public positions are filled from elected representatives of the people. Any Indian citizen fulfilling the required criteria can be elected to any of the public positions. The preamble guarantees justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, and dignity of the individual. Justice. Justice implies everybody has the opportunity to progress. This ultimately will promote public good. There are three types of justice. Social justice means there should be not any discrimination among individuals on the basis of caste, creed, race, language, region, place of birth, or sex. There will be no any difference among the individual on the basis of caste. Is Muslim caste, Hindu caste, like this way, or language which they are using. Economic justice to eradicate poverty. Eradicate means here remove. Poverty means here poorness. Everyone should have a right to a source of livelihood. Our constitution gives this right to every citizen without any discrimination. Political justice. It means all citizens completing 18 years of the age have the right to be voted. For example, universal adult franchise means the person who have completed 18 years of age they have right to vote. Liberty. It implies that there should be no coercive, unfair restrictions on anybody. Everybody is free to express his or her thoughts and opinions. Every Indian is free to follow the religion of their choice. Liberty of thoughts, expression, faith, belief, and worship is guaranteed. Equality of status and opportunity is assured. Fraternity is we feeling among the people having understanding of the need of each other. This will promote the social harmony. Fraternity means here brotherhood, means everybody will help to each other. No amount of law would help us achieve the goal if fraternity is lacking. Means fraternity is less at that time, it is not possible to achieve the goal. Dignity of individual is closely related with fraternity. It implies respect for every individual. Means it is necessary that we will give respect to each other. The preamble ends with the words that the people of India have given to themselves this constitution.